This is the practice test for decimals. Here we're working on problem number 16, and the problem asks us to evaluate this expression. Now, anytime we have these different operations all together, we have division, multiplication, addition, and so on, we're always thinking in terms of the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division together left to right, and addition and subtraction together left to right. So I've listed those out here for you, and if we were to do it in that according to the order of operations, we would do this division here first. We have no parentheses, no exponents, so we would do multiplications or divisions, whichever comes first, left to right. We would do this division, and we would get 4 on our calculator, and then we would do this multiplication here times 4.25. We would get 17, and then last would be the addition, so the final answer would be 18 and 514 thousandths. The easiest way would be to just plug this straight into your calculator just like it appears here, hit the equal sign, and you should get the proper answer.